Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today is 16th of May 2020 and the day is Saturday. So before starting the newspaper analysis, let's have a quick discussion of the Hindu vocabulary. This will be helpful in the reading the newspaper easily. The first word is contract. It means reduce or shrink. The second is tract and it means the portion of money. The third is quarantine. It means keep apart and separate. The next one we have stranded. It means helpless. Or the next is incurring. It means invite or meet. And the last we have surpass. That means beat or exceed. If you come across the any other words in the Hindu, write it down in the comment box with its meaning. This is the front page of Hindu and these are the articles which we are going to discuss today. The first is this article talks about contract farming. The central government has introduced some new law for agriculture marketing. The center has introduced the third tranche of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan for agriculture marketing. So these are the package which are introduced for the agriculture. The first 1 lakh crore for the given to the agriculture corporation society, farmers, producers and organizers, and the 10,000 crore for formulation of micro food enterprises cluster farming approach and to be followed. 20,000 crore for the fishermen's under Matsya Sampada Yojana and the 13,000 crore drive to achieve vaccination of cattle like buffaloes, sheep, goats and pigs, and the 50,000 crore for boost animal husbandry infrastructure, 4,000 crore for the promotion of herbal cultivations and 10 lakh hectares to be covered. The 500 crore for the beekeeping initiative. So these are the datas of the funding which we are provided by the central government. So this is the third tranche of the 20 lakh crore package. The first tranche was for MSMEs and NBFCs. The second was for migrant workers and the third is for agriculture marketing. Government is going to extend this lockdown till May 13, but there are some relaxation in the green and orange zone. As we know, all the districts are divided into 3 zones: the red zone, green zone and orange zone. The next we have India has surpassed China's COVID-19 cases. As you can see, China is here and India has surpassed China. So in this data you can see USA is at top position and then Russia, UK, Spain, Italy and so on. In India, the fatality rate is 3.23%. That means out of 3 people are died, and the recovery rate is 34.06, which is very good. That means out of 100 people, 34 people get recovered from this pandemic. Doubling rate of India is also very good. It is the estimated number of days it takes for cases to double in the country. The important editorial of today is a question of quarantine. See, in this editorial, the writer has raised a question on the facilities provided by state government for quarantine. You can take this part as question: the center and state must have uniform requirement for travelers because there are different rules and regulations for quarantine in different states. So we will look at now start the discussion. As we know, thousands of people move across the states and many of them are migrants workers and their families, and they are traveling as unorganized group. That means they are not following the rules and regulation of social distancing, and the stranded people within the country and abroad have started returning home. Only some are traveling by trains and aircraft, and the system of quarantine in the states is not uniform. That means different states have different rule and regulation of quarantine. When a train passenger arriving in Bengaluru, they protested that they have not received an advance notice of institutional quarantine, although they were given an option to stay hotels for 14 days, incurring considerable expenditure. That means the Bengaluru government providing hotels for the quarantine for these passengers. But if we talk about the quarantine facilities provided by Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are very bad, so that the infected person are escaped from the quarantine facilities. But in Kerala, the center insists of 14-day institutional quarantine for those who are coming by air, and the rejecting the state proposal which was for 7 days in public facilities and another 7 days at home. So these all activities are proving that the center and state doesn't have a common strategy. This may lead the COVID-19 cases in India. This doubting scenario, as India has crossed 85,000 cases of COVID 19. It must be pointed out the Health Ministry approved home isolation for even patients with the virus. This whole editorial is talks about the quarantine facilities provided by center and the states, which are not uniform requirement for the travelers. Now you are able to get the answer of this question.